Good morning, class 5 students and parents. Hope you all are in good health. Students, in the previous class we have studied about addition of 2 to 3 numbers, right? And that would be 7 to 9 digit number. Today I will teach you how to find missing digits when you have two addends and sum. Some of the digits are missing. So how to find? Let us start. In this question we have two addends and a sum where some boxes are present with no digit. Always start with ones place. 5 plus what is 3? It is impossible, right? When we add we get a greater number. So here this means that we have carry. So that carry is nothing but 1. Okay. So 1, 3, 13 would be the sum when a digit is added to 5. So we have to find. In this case we have to use a formula which says sum minus one addend equals to other addend. That means 13 minus 5 will give the answer. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus what is 8? 1. So we have found another box. Now 7 plus 9 is what? 7 plus 9 is 16. So 6 down and 1 carry up. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus what is 1? It is impossible. So that would be 11. Not 1 but 11. So 5 plus what is 11? For that we have to subtract 5 from 11. That will give us 6. Now 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus what is 4? Is it impossible? Then it must be 14. So 9 plus what is 14? 14 minus 9 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus what is 9? For the answer, subtract 2 from 9. That will give 7. Finally, 3 plus what is 5? 2. This is how you will get the missing digits. Now I am taking exercise 3.1 question number 3a part where again we have to find the missing digits. So let us start from the ones place. 6 plus what is 2? Is it impossible? Then it must not be 2. It must be 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus what is 2? If it is impossible, then it must not be 2, it must be 12. 1 carry and 2 down, 12. So 12 minus 8 is 4. Fine. Now going to the next place, 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus what is 5? Impossible again. So it must not be 5, it must be 15. So 10 plus what is 15? You are right, 5. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus what is 0? It can't be 0, so it must be 10. So 2 plus what is 10? You are right again, 8. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 means 0. That means a 0 should come here. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10. 10 0 carry 1 to the next place. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus what is 7? Is it possible? No. So it must be 17. So for getting this blank number, 17 minus 8 is 9. Now moving to the next place, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus what is 0? 0 means 10. 7 plus what is 10? You are right, 3. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 means 4 down, carry 1. 1 plus what is 2? 1 plus 1 is 2. This is how you will find the missing digits. So students, you will do exercise 3.1 question number 3 A and B in the book only. Remember to do question number 3 in the book only. Do not do in the copy. Moving to the next topic, that is estimate sum and compare with actual sum. Here you have to refer exercise 3.2 question number 1. I am taking an example. Just focus. See students, in this example we have got 3 numbers. 1 number, 2 number, 3 number. We are supposed to add them, right? Actual calculation and estimated calculation. So we will find what is the difference. Actual calculation means Just you write the numbers in columns and find the answer. So I have written these given numbers in columns and found the sum. That is 29,821. Estimated calculation. Estimated calculation means, students, we have to approximate the value of the sum that is close to the actual sum. So, do you remember we have studied in chapter number 1, rounding off to nearest 100, rounding off to nearest 1000. So, we will round off each addends. Remember, these 3 addends give the sum. Look at 12,645. Once it is estimated to nearest 100 place is this. So, this place will be 600 or 700. So tell me, will it be 600? 600 means when the previous digit, 6 से पहले वाला digit कौन है? 4 है. अगर ये 5 होगा या 5 से ज़्यादा होगा, then this number will be +1, bonus 1 मिल जाएगा. अगर ये 5 से छोटा होगा, that means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 होगा, then the underlined digit will remain same. Now students, 12,645 will round off to 100 as 12,600 or 12,700. Yes, you are right, 600, because ये जो है 50 से कम है, 45 50 से कम है. So we have written 12,600. Next, 11,378. Rounding off to 100 means underline the digit and check whether this is more than 5 or not. It is more than 5, so 3 will turn 4. 11,400. See, I have written 11,400. Moving to next, 5,798. Rounding off to 100, underline the rounding off digit, place and check the previous digit. It is 9 more than 5, so it will turn as 8. 5,800. See, I have written. I got the sum as 29,800. Right? Now, if the same addends estimated as nearest 1000, what will happen? We will look at the 1000 place. Look at 1000 place. So check out the previous digit, that is 6 more than 5. So it will be 3. It will turn as 13,000. See. Now look at 1000 place. Check the previous digit. This is 3. So it will be 11,000 only, not 12,000. Okay. So I have written 11,000. Next is, look at the 1000 place. Check the previous digit, that is 7 more than 5. So it will be 6,000. See, I have written 6,000. When I add, we got the sum 30,000. Okay. Now students, we have to check whether the actual sum is near to the estimated sum. So we will check the 1000 place. See, 29,821 को अगर हम राउंड ऑफ करते हैं 1000 में, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 1000 प्लेस को अंडरलाइन करते हैं और चेक करते हैं प्रीवियस. राइट. सो इट विल बी 30,000, क्योंकि 8 जो है दैट इज मोर देन 5. सो 9 में 1 ऐड कर देंगे तो 10 हो जाएगा. 10 तो नहीं लिख सकते. वी विल राइट 0 एंड कैरी टू 2 में एक कैरी चले जाएगा तो 30 हो जाएगा. एंड दीज ऑल टर्न विल 0. सो is 30,000 equals to 30,000? That means yes, the actual calculation, actual sum is close to the estimated calculation. So what is your notebook work for today? You will take a fresh page, exercise 3.2. You will write the definition of estimation. Estimation gives an approximate value of the sum that is close to the actual sum, right? Then you will write question number 1. Whole question is to be note down. A part, there are 23,465 novels, 10,250 storybooks and comic books, and 96,752 books of various subjects in a library. It is already written in exercise 3.2, question number 1, A part. Okay, estimate the total number of books in the library. How will you do? First you will write actual number of novels written, actual number of storybooks written, actual number of subject books written, the numbers you will find in the question. Then total actual books, total means addition. You will do addition, find the sum. Now we will round off the books to nearest 1000 as mentioned in the question. See, what will you write as the statement? Estimated number of novels 23,000. See, इसको अगर आप 1000 में round off करोगे, you will get 23,000. Estimated number of story books 10,000. Estimated number of subject books 97,000. Total estimated books, that means the sum of this, that will be 1,30,000. Now students, 1,30,467 which is the actual sum when rounded off the nearest 1000. जब हमने इसको nearest 1000 में round off करा तो हमें क्या मिला? 1,30,000. That is equals to the estimated books. Therefore, we will write the conclusion. The estimated books in the library is close to the actual books in the library. Okay, so you have to do A part as classwork and question number 1, B part as your homework. Okay students, do it neatly. I hope it is clear. Bye bye.